What's wrong with it, Nate?
Huh?
What was wrong with your truck?
Bugged him.
Oh, okay.
Bugged in my truck.
Oh, okay.
That's my new bus.
Is it a new truck?
Huh?
Is your truck new?
Yes.
Oh, where did you buy it?
Abdul.
Oh, okay.
Abdul.
That's a good place to buy it from. Hey, that's a neat idea. That's a neat idea. There we go. Cool, Nate. Oh, I guess that wasn't a good idea.
Bye-bye, Dubai. Bye-bye. That's hi, Dubai. That's Harry's.
Oh, okay.
That's Harry's. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. So where are we going? Uh-oh. Accident.
Look for out.
Now we gotta check the truck over again.
Bye.
We gotta check the truck.
Huh?
We gotta check the truck. Make sure it's okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Is it okay?
Hat.
Yeah.
Hat, hat. A hat, hat.
Is it okay?
Hmm?
Is it okay? You know, my mom's is gonna have a. I'm gonna get in trouble if you color that truck too much.
Huh?
I might get in trouble. You want G-Mom to get in trouble?
No.
No. You're such a sweetie.
Huh?
Are the wheels tight?
Yes.
Good. Good.
Bye-bye now.
Okay.
Uh-oh. What that truck doing next door?
You sound like Donald Duck.
Huh?
You sound like Donald Duck. No, Donald Duck's not on there, but let's see what else is on. You like the little pigs?
Yes.
Okay, we'll leave the pigs on. I love watching you, Nate.
Bye-bye, Bye-bye, socks.